So saw your question on discussion board. You want to rate this in its equivalent logarithmic form. So you have to use definition of log. Didn't spell if, misspell if. This is an abbreviation for if and only if, which means these two statements are equivalent. There are some restrictions here on B and X. B is base is always positive other than 1, and I think X has to be positive. And so, you're given the exponential form, and you want to rewrite it in logarithmic form. So the base here becomes the base on the log, and the X and the Y, you just, change sides. So the 5 here becomes the base on the log, so it's log with base 5, and interchange these two numbers of 625 equals 4. So this would be the equivalent logarithmic form to this exponential form. Hope that helps.